Hey everyone, welcome back to Travelling Heavens. Today, we're diving into one of Africa's hidden gems, Namibia. If you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or just someone looking to explore somewhere truly unique, then Namibia should be on your radar. From the vast deserts to the vibrant wildlife, there's so much to discover here. And as always, we'll estimate the cost for a complete trip to Namibia, including the expenses of flights and accommodations. And don't worry, we'll cover estimates for travellers from every continent, ensuring everyone can plan their dream getaway within their budget. So, let's jump right in and explore what makes Namibia a must-visit destination and how you can make the most of your trip. Before we get into the fun stuff, let's talk about some of the basics you need to cover before travelling to Namibia. First off, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date. You'll also need a visa, which you can easily get on arrival if you're from most Western countries, but do check the specific requirements for your country. It's essential to get travel insurance that covers health and any adventure activities you plan on doing. Speaking of health, consult with your doctor about any vaccinations you might need. Hepatitis A, B, and typhoid are commonly recommended. Lastly, don't forget to exchange some currency for the Namibian dollar or South African rand, which is also widely accepted. Now, let's get to the exciting part. The activities. Namibia is an adventurer's playground with something for everyone. First up, we have the iconic Sossusvlei Dunes. Imagine climbing the world's tallest sand dunes at sunrise. It's a surreal experience. Don't miss out on Deadvlei with its stunning white clay pan dotted with ancient, dead camelthorn trees. It's an Instagrammer's paradise. For the wildlife enthusiasts, Etosha National Park is a must-visit. This park offers some of the best game viewing in Africa. Think elephants, lions, rhinos, and more, all against the backdrop of the Etosha Pan. The watering holes are a great place to see a variety of animals up close, especially during the dry season. Next, if you're into adrenaline-pumping activities, head to Swakopmund. This coastal town is known for its adventure sports. From sandboarding down the dunes to quad biking and skydiving over the desert, there's no shortage of thrills. And for something truly unique, try out the Skeleton Coast for some of the most remote and dramatic coastal scenery you'll ever see. For those who love hiking, Fish River Canyon is the place to be. It's the second largest canyon in the world and offers spectacular views and challenging hikes. The multi-day hikes here are intense but incredibly rewarding. Namibia is a wildlife lover's paradise, and safaris here are truly special. In addition to Etosha National Park, there's the Caprivi Strip, a lush region filled with diverse wildlife and excellent safari lodges. Here, you can enjoy boat safaris on the Chobe and Zambezi rivers, offering unique views of hippos, crocodiles, and a variety of bird species. The Waterberg Plateau Park is another gem, known for its stunning landscapes and the opportunity to see rare species like sable antelope and buffalo. And if you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path experience, head to the Kudum National Park, a remote wilderness area that's home to elephants, lions, and wild dogs. Whether you're exploring by 4x4 or on foot, the safaris in Namibia offer unforgettable encounters with nature. Namibia's coastline is where the desert meets the ocean, creating some of the most surreal and breathtaking landscapes. The Namib Desert runs right up to the Atlantic Ocean, and the beaches along the Skeleton Coast are a must-see. This area is named for the shipwrecks that dot the shore, adding an eerie yet fascinating element to your beach experience. Walvis Bay is another highlight. A lagoon here attracts flamingos, pelicans, and other birdlife. You can also take a boat tour to see seals and dolphins. Don't miss Sandwich Harbour, where towering sand dunes plunge straight into the sea. It's an incredible spot for photography and offers a truly unique beach experience. Namib-Naukluft National Park is one of the largest conservation areas in Africa, encompassing a staggering 49,768 square kilometres. This diverse park is home to some of Namibia's most iconic landscapes, from the towering dunes of the Namib Desert to the rugged mountains and deep canyons of the Naukluft Range. One of the park's highlights is Sesrium Canyon, a natural gorge carved by the Tsautjab River over millions of years. It's a fascinating place to explore, offering a cool respite from the desert heat and a chance to see unique geological formations up close. Of course, no visit to Namib Naukluft National Park is complete without experiencing the majestic dunes of the Namib Desert. Dune 45, named for its location 45 kilometers past the park's gate, is one of the most famous and accessible dunes. Climbing it at sunrise offers spectacular views and a truly unforgettable experience. And let's not forget about the cultural experiences. Spend some time with the Himba people, one of the last semi-nomadic tribes in Africa. Learning about their way of life and traditions is a humbling and enriching experience. Twyfelfontein, located in the arid Kunene region of northwestern Namibia, is a treasure trove of ancient history. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts one of the largest concentrations of petroglyphs, rock engravings, in Africa, providing a fascinating glimpse into the lives of early hunter-gatherers who inhabited the region thousands of years ago. The petroglyphs at Twyfelfontein depict a wide array of subjects, from wildlife like giraffes, elephants, and rhinos, to human figures and hunting scenes. These engravings are believed to be between 2,000 and 6,000 years old, created by the San people who used the site as a place of worship and ritual. When it comes to accommodation, Namibia has some fantastic options that cater to all budgets. For a luxurious stay, check out the And Beyond Sossusvlei Desert Lodge. Nestled in the Namib Desert, it offers stunning views, private pools, and world-class service. Prices here start at around $1,000 per night, but it's worth every penny for the ultimate desert experience. For a more mid-range option, consider the Strand Hotel in Swakopmund. It's right on the beach and close to all the adventure activities. Rooms here start at about $150 per night, and it offers great value with its amenities and location. If you're on a budget, Namibia also has plenty of affordable options. The Cardboard Box Backpackers in Windhoek is a popular choice among backpackers, with dorm beds starting at $20 per night. It's a great place to meet fellow travelers and get tips on exploring the country. We always recommend to use sites like Booking, Kayak, and Hotels Combined to find your ideal accommodation. Now, let's talk about getting to Namibia. I did some research on flight prices from various continents to Windhoek, Namibia's capital. From North America, you can find round-trip flights starting at around $800. If you're coming from Europe, prices can be as low as $600. Travellers from Asia can expect to pay around $700, while those from Australia might find tickets starting at $900. For our friends in South America, flights are generally around $1,000. And from Africa, it varies widely, but you can find flights from $300 depending on your departure city. For the best deals, it's recommended to use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner, Kiwi, Kayak, or Google Flights, and to book well in advance. Once you're in Namibia, getting around is fairly straightforward, but distances can be vast. Renting a car is the most popular option, and for good reason. It gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Prices for car rentals start at around $50 per day for a standard vehicle, but if you're planning to go off-road, consider a 4x4 which will cost you about $100 per day. There are also buses and shuttles that connect major towns and cities, with prices ranging from $10 to $50 depending on the distance. For shorter trips within cities, taxis are available and quite affordable. Lastly, let's touch on safety. Namibia is generally a safe country for travellers, but like anywhere, it's important to stay vigilant. Keep your valuables secure and avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar areas. When driving, be cautious of wildlife on the roads, especially at night. If you're venturing into remote areas, make sure you have enough fuel, water, and supplies, and inform someone about your travel plans. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to exploring Namibia. Whether you're climbing dunes, spotting wildlife, or just soaking in the stunning landscapes, Namibia promises an adventure like no other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel guides. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!